Roland with another video in my fiddle backup tutorial series. Previously, we learned how to play simple chords called fifths. As long as our fiddle is tuned in fifths, it's easy to play fifths on the fiddle. But fifths, say we're playing Turkey in the Straw, G and D are an awful long way from each other. So this video will help you find smoother paths to play the same simple chords. If this interests you, subscribe for more of the same. So as I was saying, the G chord and the D chord are far away from each other. How can we make them closer? This top note of the D chord is A, and it would be really sweet if we could find an A on the G string. Well, G, A, it's right here. And that makes our accompaniment to Turkey in the Straw much smoother. So the formula is you add one finger to the root, you add one finger to and put it on the next string down. Let me say that again. Whatever finger you're playing the root of the chord with, the note with the same name as the chord, in this case 0, you add one finger and you put it on the next lower string. Okay. So let's do a couple. Let's do B. A, B, here's one, here's a B. With my first finger, I add one finger, that's 2, the second finger, and I put it on the next lower string. Sounds pretty good. Let's see if it's the same as the fifth. So this top note of the fifth is E, F, F sharp. And what's this note? D, E, F, F sharp. Yes? If you want more practice finding the notes and you're a little rusty on how that's actually done, this video will help. Okay, so let's do one more. How about C? A, B, C, and I'm going to add one finger, which is going to be the 3, and I put it on the next lower string, which is the D string. Cool. And check the fifth. This is a G, C, D, E, F, G, and let's see if this is a G. Well, I know that this is a G. If I play them together, they sound great. So this is a G because it sounds like a cousin to the open G. And I don't even have to do any counting to figure that out. All right, so ready to try it with me on Turkey in the Straw? If you have any questions or requests, slap them in the comments below. And here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.